If you have to remove a child from the classroom because they're so disruptive that nobody else can, carry on, I'm always very careful that the message I send to that child is, this is not your individual therapy time right now, okay? This is where you go, you have a consistent, quiet space for that child to kind of decompress. Maybe they can color, but they're not gonna start talking. You know how they always wanna talk to you? They always wanna say, they wanna have a big conversation. And if you hear that, then you may be fulfilling what they want. So what I will say is that, just in a few minutes, we're going back to class. So take a breath, calm down, here we go. But I'm not gonna say, because it's so easy though for us when a child says, well, last week I went and I wasn't able to do this, and so because my sister did it instead, and all of a sudden we find ourselves talking with them, but we removed them from the classroom for a reason, and now we're giving them all kinds of attention. That message can definitely backfire.